वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. थंडायेचे दीस आसा, क्रिसमसाचो सीजन आसा आनी हे जावन आसा आयज हांव दाखयता तुमकां आमचे गोंयचे स्वीट दोस. So today I am going to show you all how to make Goan sweet doce, which mostly we make it in Christmas time, and or there is some function like wedding and they have to give it to the bride. Okay, they send it along with the bride. So what ingredients you need to make this Goan doce is, this is 1 cup of chana dal, chickpea lentil. Okay, so it is like 250 grams if you want to in grams, and this is 1/3 cup of sugar I am using for this measurement. Okay, and this is 1/4 cup of ghee I will be using. This is 1 whole coconut, that is around 200 grams, but yes, whole coconut. And few of this, I'm not going to use all this. I will be using, to show you all, I'll be using only 4 out of this to give a nice aroma. Okay, तर ही जावन आसा माझे मेजरमेंट. हे 1 कप चण्याची दाव, ही जावन आसा 1 आणि 3/4, 1 कप आणि 3/4 साखर. हे जावन आसा 1/4 cup of ghee, that is clarified butter. आणि ह्यो आख्खो नाल घेतला हांवें. ओके, 2 वळी आख्खो नाल कांतून घेवन, काळें तें घालनाका, ओन्ली दोळें. आनी ही जावन आसा आमची एलायची, 4 घालतली हांव तितूंतली. तर आतां फर्स्ट प्रोसिजर हेजो, हेका आमकां बॉयल करूंक जाय. पयलीं आमी हेका भिजत घालया 4 वरां. तेजे उपरांत आमकां हेका 2 कपां उदक घालून 4 ते 6 विसली मारून हेका आमी उकडून घेवया. तेज्या उपरांत आमकां हेका ग्राइंड करूंक जाय, पेस्ट. ओके, दाट पेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रोसिजर. देन हेका पूण आमकां ग्राइंड करून घेवंक जाय. तर जेन्ना आमी हे जे ग्राइंड करता तेजे उपरांत आमी हे ग्राइंड करून घेवया. आनी हांव ही एलची हितून घालून ग्राइंड करतली. होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. सो नाव आय विल बी सोकिंग दिस फॉर 3 to 4 hours. ओके, तुमकां जाय जाल्यार रातचे पूण तुमच्यान धरूं येता. You can keep it overnight for soaking. So 3 to 4 hours I will be soaking this, and then I will be grinding it with that same water which I am going to cook this dal. Like boil, or in a pressure cooker I am doing. You can do that open pan, but I am going to do in a pressure cooker. I will give around 4 to 5 whistle. It has to be mashy. Okay, very soft mashy, and then we have to grind this. After that we have to grind this. Then is the following procedure, which is a difficult procedure because I have to stir and stir and stir and stir till it become to a doce. Let's meet then. Watch this. Wash at least 3 times in this water. Here I have added water, and now we will soak this for 3 to 4 hours. So here this is after 4 hours, and now we will cook this till it is nice mashy. We'll add some salt to this, 1/4 teaspoon, and now I will give a whistle for 4 to 5 whistles. I will exactly tell you how many whistles later, but at the moment it is 4 whistles. So here is this. So what I have done, you can do separately. So I grinded the chana dal, cooked chana dal and the coconut together, and along with that I put my elaichi, that is cardamom also. ओके, तर हांवें कितें केलें, हांवें जेन्ना वांटटालीं पळय तेन्ना हांवें दाव घातली, तितून चून घातलें आनी दोगांयकी हांवें मिक्स वांटून घेतलें. ओके, बारीक जालां. आतां आमी हेजें स्टार्ट करुया प्रोसिजर. And we will keep our tray wherever. Suppose if you are going to do, then grease this with ghee, or you can put this. I will show you then how we do, because it has to go hot. Now we'll add our sugar in this. And we'll mix this, and then we'll keep this on the gas on low flame, and we have to do this continuously till it becomes like, till it's done, and then we have to add ghee just before we are getting it done. So now this is on the gas, and this procedure is only to stir and stir and stir. हे आता काम फकत दवलुपाचे आनी दवलुपाचे, लागोंक दिवंक खावना, करपोंक दिवंक खावना. So now this is like liquidy because sugar is added, no? So sugar is melted. तर हितून आमी साखर घातलेली, ती आतां मेल्ट जाली. ताका लागून आतां हें दवरूंक जाय जब तक दाट जावन येना तब तक, आनी स्लो गॅसीचेर या उज्याचेर करूंक जाय, आनी दवलुपाचें कंटिन्युअसली दवरूंक जाय, नाल्यार लागतलें खाला or lumps जातले. So now see, this bubble is coming, is getting thick also, and I made the gas little bit higher, not full but medium high. And this procedure is only, you have to stir and stir and stir in the wooden this. So हे काम फकत आतां फकत दवरूंक जाय, कंटिन्युअसली दवरूंक जाय, आनी हे फट 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 करून आतां येता तेन्ना तुमकां थोड्यांक लुवां घालूंक जाय जाल्यार हें घालात, ग्लव्स घालात. आता आमी हितून घी घाली आमची. So it's like, put gloves because it is coming on the hand. So now it's getting thicker. See, now this is come to this thick. Still we have to do till it leaves the pan and it dries this completely. Then only we can remove this. And the sides, no, please see that you take the sides. And the best part is, use non-stick pan if you want, or you can use your normal wala. जायत येता. So now it's almost getting ready. अजूनही जाऊंक ना. Okay. And here is this is almost ready. It took like 20 minutes to all this because this is small quantity. If you take big quantity, it will take more time, more efforts. So now I will put up the gas and I will put it on my tray. This. So now you spread this nicely. It's hot. So it's hot, huh? So I'll press this like this. It's very hot. So press it. So this is our doce ready. Now we can cut it like how we want. The sizes depends upon us, but mostly the doce is in okay. So now this is done, this is cut. So these are the shapes, and then you keep it like this. It's hot, but I showed you all how to cut also. And then enjoy your Christmas with this doce. Chonya Doce. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo. Now the doce is ready, and it's ready to eat and ready to serve. Hope you all will have a nice Christmas. Make this because it is in market, it is very expensive nowadays. So try to make this with very few ingredients. So मानता की तुमका हे सगळ्यांक आवडटले. करून तुम्ही मातशे योकुस्पार तयार करा ही दोस. कित्याक आतां बाजारांत खूब म्हारग जाल्या ह्यो वस्तू. तर ट्राय करात आणि एन्जॉय करात. थँक यू.